Today I'm excited to share one of our favorite vendors with you, Proluxe Lighting. I'm Travis with Wipliance, and I have the pleasure to introduce you to Jennifer Kirkpatrick, Director of Sales.
Thank you so much for having me. The showroom looks great. I'm really excited to walk you through some of our new solutions that we're bringing to market so that you guys can offer the top of the line products to your customers. Proluxe is a division of American Lighting, a company that's been around for the last 35 plus years. We've continually developed new linear lighting solutions that can be used in both residential and commercial spaces, and we continue to push the envelope when it comes to new emerging technologies. In 2019, we even started Proluxe, which caters to the custom integration channel, allowing integrators to give the top of the line solutions to their clients.
So as an integrator, we love working with Proluxe, your engineering and design services teams, all the new products you guys are creating great solutions for our clients.
And we love working with you guys. You guys are professionals, you take care of it from start to finish. And what we want to do for you is make sure that we have quality products that are reliable. So our engineering team spends a lot of time making sure that our color consistency matches, whether you ordered today or 6 months from now. I don't want to go too geeky on you, but we do have a 3-step McAdam ellipse process.
Wait, a what?
I know, and it's a mouthful too.
Yeah.
So it all has to do with diodes and binning. So there's a lot of manufacturers out there that are selecting random diodes and putting them all together. That can create inconsistency with color temperature. Believe it or not, it can even cause flickering or strobing that can be bad to our health. So we make sure that we're using the best quality diodes and making sure that color is consistent every time you order from Proluxe. At Proluxe, quality is important, so we offer our clients an 8-year warranty on all the components that make up the system, from power supplies to the lighting to extrusions. You can rest assured that everything is rated for 50,000 hours, giving you the ability to have a long-lasting system.
So talk to me about how Proluxe works with other systems.
Proluxe wants to make sure that we're making your job easy and that the client feels confident adding Proluxe to their overall system. So no matter what control system they're using or what other fun gadgets they have in the house, Proluxe has been tested by our engineering team and has gone through thorough analysis to make sure that our lighting is going to work no matter what system you pair it with.
All right, so walk me through some of the functional Proluxe solutions.
We focus on making a space feel comfortable, providing that visual comfort. So we'd like to build our products into the architecture, whether it's in the cove, coffer ceilings, under cabinet lighting, building it into the baseboard, giving you that warm, welcoming feeling.
So beyond functional lighting, what else can Proluxe do?
That's a great question, because we like to have fun at Proluxe. We offer lots of different entertainment lighting, so whether it's color changing or pixel, which provides movement and waves of color, you can really create it into anything you want, including a work of art.
So one of the things that we appreciate about Proluxe as a partner is all the installation solutions that you guys have to make our installation team look like heroes, from the extrusion to the diffusers to all the other parts you have. Walk us through that.
It's really important that you're considering every component in your system, the extrusions especially. There's so many different options out there, but why they play a big part is because you want to make sure you're putting light where you need it. So whether you need a 45-degree extrusion to angle that light, have the light shooting straight down, embedded into the wall, or even embedded into shelving, you have the right extrusion to make it a perfect lighting solution.
So Jennifer, we've done a lot of outdoor installations with your products. Tell me how important using the right product for the right application is.
Using product outside, it takes a real skill, and your team is really good at this, making sure all those connections are sealed properly so that it's going to last over time. But on the Proluxe side, we're making sure that we're bringing in products that are durable enough to be brought outside, use it for landscape lighting, embed it into the ground. And we do that by having different IP ratings. And IP ratings will tell you whether or not you can have it near water, how much dirt can get on the product. And each one of those IP ratings have a different standard. We offer 3 different versions: an IP54 for damp location rated, IP65 for wet location, or IP68 for submersible, meaning you could use it for landscape lighting, ponds, fountains, and embed that product into the fountain. There's a lot of planning that goes into these unique installs. If you're looking to embed light into your cabinets, into shelving, you want to make sure you have your wires in the right place and that you can execute the install by preparing for what that's going to look like and what materials you're using. Lee, it's been such a pleasure working with you and the Wipliance team. You guys have done so many projects from indoors to outdoor, color changing to pixel. You guys have really mastered the design process, implementing it, and programming it. It's great that you have a team of experts that are so easy to work with. Our team always enjoys talking to you guys.